Oh my god.
Hi, last time I spoke about relocation. Traveling can be exhausting, right? And I find a way in 24 hours to not think about it and just enjoy the moment. So how I did it, I'm gonna show you now.
If you want to spend a day in a fairytale village, I think this is the one.
Taking you to some village that is like from fairy tale. So it wasn't planned, to be honest. We went to see family. We went to one of the castles to do wine tasting, and then we end up enjoying the total experience.
We are in Savennières. It's family weekend, so I don't vlog too much. I have a few spots I want to show you. Look at those windows, they're beautiful.
Enjoying a different lifestyle. When you do the tasting, you can enjoy the salado. But also you can go behind the scene and you can see the old library. I don't know how old it is actually. With really old books, and the atmosphere is just totally different. And it's beautiful room for tea time, for example. Also outside they have a huge garden which you can take a walk like for 20 minutes around. It's quite huge, and it's nice to kind of immerse in that kind of lifestyle where people were mostly reading, having a tea, making conversation, not watching TV, and having a long walks, which is really, I always find it really healthy. I like to walk, and I'm walking every day. I really love that activity. Even if you're not like healthy condition, you can still enjoy the walk and be involved physically, which is important for us, right?
Le cabernet sauvignon?
It's juice from what?
It's I know that.
You know from which one? This one. Look. Jus de Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a juice from Cabernet Sauvignon. That's why you have a wine. Is it tasting good?
No, it's not one. It's a juice, but she lets me have one.
Yeah, but it's made from wine.
So that we can see on our list, we have two different kinds of wine. We have the Savennières with appellation of Savennières, and we have also another kind without appellation. We call it French wine. We have
Oh, nice.
17 hectares.
Okay, that's a lovely wine. That's the last one. Okay.
She's so happy about it.
Then our next stop was at lunch. I link it below where we had a lunch. It was more casual. It's kind of different vibe than usual what you can see in France. It's a little bit kind of bar vibe. And you have finger food, you can share the food with your family and friends, and I like that. It was really relaxing.
Melon. Et c'est quand que t'as 6 ans?
After that, we had a short walk. When you walk through the streets of the village, it's really calm and relaxing. I would definitely grab some paper and draw something, or read a poem, or I got inspired to do things I don't do every day. So I think that should be kind of village that you should visit. There is a couple of wineries you can do wine tasting, and there is literally a couple of restaurants where you can eat.
we are heading to the place which I don't know where, but we are going for some desserts. Rarely I go just for desserts, but I find it more interesting as because usually when you go to the restaurants you have entree and main, and then you feel quite full and you don't enjoy the desserts quite enough. So I don't know, do you have that same thought about it? So I would like, if I want to enjoy the desserts, I would like to go separately. Oh, still there?
Let me know, did you like this video? Because I'm going to visit a few more villages, and what would you like to see in those villages? That's very important. Just comment below. I got some messages that actually 5 days itinerary in particular villages could be interesting for you. Just to give you more information about this area, we are in Burgundy, in case you don't know. There is a lot of small villages, they're worth it of visit. So, to see you in the next video. Bye!